Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to reset your school Chromebook. If you've been struggling with this, don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact keys you need to press to get it done. So grab a notepad or simply follow along with this video while you reset your Chromebook. Let's get started. So first, it is essential to know that resetting may be easier if your Chromebook isn't registered with your school's administration. If it is registered, then the reset might be challenging or even impossible in some cases. So make sure that you know which is the case for you. And then now let's proceed to the steps. So first, what you need to press is the escape button, and then the refresh and the power button. So you would want to press this at the same time, these three keys together. For some devices, the power button might be located on the side, while for others, it's on the top. So you need to press these three buttons simultaneously. And then after that, once the screen appears, press Ctrl and D together. And once you have done that, then next you would want to press Enter. And then next, when the next screen appears, press the space bar to enable verification. Then press Enter again. And then after that, you will now be able to successfully reset your Chromebook. This is the case if you haven't registered or if your Chromebook isn't registered yet. So it will be very easy if that is the case. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.